Hi, I'm Velco, a member of MMM Philippines. I'm here in Butuan City, Mindanao. Last August 28 this year, 2015, I provide help in the amount of 15,000 pesos under Mabro Mining. Today, I receive 15,000 pesos plus 10% and then plus bonus video. The total cash that I amount the total amount that I receive is 17,500. I would like to thanks to Patanao Erlinda, Boy, and also Emerage Maurer. Thank you so much, guys, for giving me assistance, and also to Sergi Mabrudi. Thank you so much. This opportunity, MMM Philippines, MMM Worldwide. Thank you so much. This is my first time providing the amount of 15,000, and I'm so blessed. Thank you so much. I love MMM. Mabuhay.